Your heart can think independently, and scientists only recently understood how. Deep within your chest, there's more than muscle. Scientists have uncovered a network of 40,000 neurons inside the human heart. This mini-brain, called the cardiac nervous system, wraps around the heart's ventricles in a glowing web. Your heart isn't just a mechanical pump. It processes information, senses subtle changes, and even remembers patterns from your past experiences. These heart neurons are in constant conversation with the brain through the vagus nerve, trading electrical signals every moment. The heart's network can learn and recognize emotional patterns, shaping its rhythm in response to joy, fear, or calm. For example, when you feel anxious before a big presentation, your heart's rhythm shifts first, sending signals upward that can influence your thoughts and focus. This isn't a one-way street. The heart's feedback shapes your emotional landscape, helping you adapt and recover after stress. The heart and brain are partners in every feeling, every choice. The heart actually sends more information to the brain than it receives. Emotional states such as excitement, calm, or unease can begin as patterns in the cardiac neurons. These signals travel to the brain, influencing decisions, reactions, and even intuition. Some researchers believe that gut feelings or sudden clarity during meditation may start as quiet messages from the heart's neural network, gently guiding the mind long before you become aware. Researchers are mapping how heart memory shapes stress, meditation, and decision-making. Advanced brain and heart imaging shows the cardiac region lighting up during moments of strong emotion or deep mindfulness. Understanding this dialogue could transform approaches to mental health and emotional resilience. If the heart holds its own intelligence, perhaps the mind is more than just the brain. Sometimes the answers we seek truly do come from the heart.